Dude, sick Honda, bro.
Well, it's a fucking Acura, first of all.
Well, looks like there's no fuel tank. Why is that? Why would there be no fuel tank? Am I replacing a fuel pump? No, I'm actually just gonna install a battery in the back. So I need to be able to drill holes here, and this clears out the space. Yeah, there's another fuel pump to siphon the gas. That didn't work because I think this thing gets in the way of being able to siphon fuel. You guys can probably assume if I have the fuel tank dropped, if I'm doing a battery in the back, what I possibly could be doing to this car. There's a Ford Racing diff cover. If you guys ever saw it, it's one of the newer modifications. So yeah, as you can see, I already had the carpet already pulled. Never ran a spare tire, weight reduction. Anyways, I was just looking at the filler neck. I guess I could have unplugged this and pushed it through or something. Anyways, battery's gonna go here. And yeah, no battery in the front right now. I already have that disconnected and removed. Battery tray. Got it ran through here. Had to take off a bunch of stuff from my back seat. Gonna run it through the carpet, through there, out through the firewall, and then into the fuse box. Cable ran. I'm gonna put some wire loom around that. It's bolted down into the fuse box. So that's all done. And then, sorry I haven't really been filming much, but I've just been trying to just get this done. I have a lot to do, so this is nothing. You know, I got the battery relocated, and the fuel tank is dropped. I can show you that in a minute. Wire ran. Here's this. I'm gonna ground the negative probably to one of these bolts up here. Yes. Okay, here's the fuel tank. I'm gonna order a Walbro 255, put that in. Quick update as well. Car's tuned, by the way. I know I haven't told you guys. The car is tuned, in fact. It's definitely gonna have a few more adjustments done after I'm done with my big surprise. But as of right now, as of how it sits with the tune, holy shit, night and day difference. My buddy Jacob over at JKE Tune, check him out on Instagram, Facebook, go give him a follow, and yeah, he does good work. Let me tell you, he got this car running good. Check engine lights gone, all that good stuff. Yeah, he looked at the old tune that was on there. He uses HP tuners, by the way. He looked at the old tune that was on there from Bama or SCT. Getting my car tuned at the moment. Go check out Jacob at JKE Tuned on Instagram. Couldn't have done it without him. Got this car running damn good. Yep. We'll let you know how it goes. Finishing up some things, fine tuning. push the interior back together. That piece, some tabs broke, so I need to glue that back together. I'm gonna save it for another day, but I need to put the carpet back on. So I'll just put this here to mock it up so I can run the wires and stuff, see where it's gonna be. But basically, I'm gonna put this on top of the carpet and the side carpet piece or whatever. I need to trim it and drill a hole so that the positive battery lead can go through there. But that's essentially how it's gonna look. I think it looks pretty cool. Obviously, there's gonna be a lid right here. It's right there. Yeah, pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I'm excited for everything to start getting done, guys. This thing is gonna be crazy. Hope there's enough room for that car to drive underneath. Maybe a little more. Good old Walbro 255. Just drop it like that. Snaps in. That's it. That's it. Okay. So pretty. So sad seeing her like this. Figured I'd show you guys. You just hit your head on that. You just hit his head on this. Anyways, I figured I'd show you guys the oil pan and where we had to tap into it. So while it's up, figured I'd show you guys. I'm not filming too much just because I want to make sure we're doing anything right, and it's kind of a pain in the ass to film and install something at the same time, but I'll for sure show you guys the startup, and I'll show you guys the supercharger mounted. We got the belt all routed and the supercharger mounted up, so I'll show you guys that in a minute here once we lower the car. Got something going on here. Got the charge pipe right here. Everything's loosely on here. Nothing's bolted down or anything. You got the ignition thing. Yeah, I don't really know exact 100% what I'm doing. That's why, like I said, that's why I said I'm not gonna film everything and do like a how-to video, because I don't know how to. So why would I do that? The piece of resistance. Let's see how it'll look. Obviously. Obviously, you gotta mount it, but does it look pretty cool sitting in there? Yeah, it looks good. Looks really good. It'll look pretty aggressive, I think. Good deal. Damn, can't get enough of that. That looks sweet. Oh yeah. That'll look cool. Just like in the rearview mirror, that'll look freaking menacing. Alright, so since it is a rainy and kind of a crappy day out, it's Saturday, I'm off work, I got some in the microwave. I I figured I'd actually tell you guys what's actually going on, because I've been showing you guys what I've been doing to the car, that I'm supercharging it. I know you guys know that. You guys aren't that stupid. But I am going to be supercharging the car, which you guys know. I just kind of want to go through and tell you guys, just kind of update what's actually going on. I haven't been filming hardly at all. There really hasn't been much things to film. I've been working on that car on the weekends whenever I'm off for a few hours here and there. So it is kind of a long process. And don't get me wrong, I wish it was done. I wish it was done yesterday, but it's not going to be. So it's going to be probably a couple weeks until everything's done. I'd say everything's installed. I'm going to have to get a few more things to button everything up and make sure everything's going to be running solid and sound. So I have just a bunch of just random crap here in this video, just scattered all together. And I kind of wanted to, at least at the end, tell you guys what's going on, kind of talk to you guys. So just giving you guys this random footage. Oh, okay, here's a fuel pump. Okay, here's me installing the supercharger. Oh, here's me getting my car tuned. This is just all footage that's been on my GoPro for months. The supercharger and stuff. That's a couple weeks ago. But I just have a bunch, just a cluster of footage on the GoPro I would like to actually post and show you guys, because I'm getting a lot of comments asking what's next, what's going on. And my previous video that I've posted was me saying should I twin turbo my car, which that's not going to happen anymore. That was just a me thinking out loud, I guess. But no, what's actually going to happen is I bought a Vortech V2 with it has an ice box, the charge pipe, I guess, whatever you call it, and I do have a water-to-air intercooler, like an eBay intercooler that I'm mounting to the front of that. So that'll be pretty cool. Hopefully everything runs good. Hopefully I don't blow it up right when I install it, which I really shouldn't. And I do have 42-pound injectors right now that I installed and found out, because I bought everything used, but the injectors, I found out they're all fine but one, so that kind of sucks. I'm just going to not deal with it. I'm just going to buy all new injectors. I know, it's my money though, so it sucks, but at the same time, at least this way it'll be a nice, me knowing that those are new and they're going to be good. Hopefully, I would assume they're going to be good. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to get some 47-pound injectors. Actually, they have some Ford Performance 47-pound injectors. I need to get adapters, because I think EV1 to EV6 adapters for that. And like I said, I have a fuel pump upgrade, a Walbro 255. Nothing crazy, but that should suffice for what I'm trying to do at the moment. And I also relocated the battery in the back, which actually looks really cool. Should have done that a while ago. It looks good back there, and it's going to make room for the icebox, because the icebox actually mounts where the battery went, and it uses the battery tray to mount in place, which is really sweet. I might end up actually, I'm going to keep an icebox there, but I might actually end up welding myself like an aluminum one, because I can TIG weld aluminum. So I was thinking it would look cool, and just get the dimensions off that box and just make an aluminum one. And I'm pretty sure they do sell an aluminum one, but I can make it so much cheaper than what they cost. So yeah, that's that. Freaking computer's updating. Son of a bitch. But yeah, guys, that is what's going on. I'll be filming a few more things here and there, and of course, whenever I'm getting it tuned, and whenever I actually do start up the car for the first time, that's definitely going to be a whole different, separate video, and I'm going to be showing some more things on me installing the supercharger and whatnot. And if you guys have any questions on what I had to do exactly, or have any questions about the install that I didn't cover in the video, which I didn't cover much in the video to begin with, feel free to leave comments down below, ask questions. I'll answer whatever I can, So yeah, I generally respond to most comments. I don't respond to all of them. Sometimes honestly, I'm gonna be honest, I'm lazy, or I'm at work, I'll read them, or I'm doing something, I'll read a comment, and I just end up forgetting about it. I'm gonna be honest. But most comments I do actually reply to. So leave a comment down below on what you guys think. You know, I actually bought a supercharger. About damn time I actually do some actual freaking power adder mod. Leave a comment down below. And if you guys are not already, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for post notifications for when I do post more content on that supercharger, which you guys are definitely going to want to freaking see. So thank you guys for watching. Without further ado, peace out and keep on keeping on.